Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I'm going to do a first look with my Norns palette. I am super excited. I haven't used it yet. I swatched it for you guys the other day. And let me scoochie over, because I feel like I'm like... Okay, so I swatched it for y'all the other day, and this is what she looks like. And she's so cute. I think I'm just gonna do... I know I get all these beautiful colors, and I'm just gonna say I'm just gonna do a... I'm just gonna do a neutral moment here. So that's what's happening today. I'm just gonna do a quick eye look. It's literally gonna be like 10 minutes. So let's get started. So I'm gonna put Dazed, this one right here, in my crease. I'm a little wary of if this is gonna even show up on my eye. Oh yeah, no, it's not showing up at all. So just for shits and giggles, I'm gonna put that over here too. Yeah, that's gonna be like a brow bone. It's gonna be like a brow bone highlight. So let's see, what do I wanna try to do next? Let's put, we'll take Mist, which is this one right here. And we're gonna put that one in my crease. It's laying down nicely, and it's not super pigmented, which I can appreciate. There is pigment, I'm not saying that it's not pigmented. It's just not like so pigmented that it's not blending. So far this dark shade is working out for me. And now I'm gonna go into that first shade, that creamy color. And I'm gonna put that right above it and kind of blend it out. That's what that shade's gonna be good for. Just blending everything out. Alright, so next I'm going to go into Pragmatism, which is this deep brown shade here. And that is going to go on my outer corner, just to build up some depth. So now I'm going to take a natural hair brush, and I'm going to, actually I'm not gonna, well, yeah, I'll do that. I'm gonna take this one called Glamour, this orange right here, and I am going to apply that to my lid. I'm going to try to spray it and see if it's a little more opaque. That is so sparkly. Can you see that? now we're gonna do the other side. I'm not even gonna apply it first without, just gonna go right in. Alright, I am gonna go back into the purple shade, the purple matte shade called Mist. I'm gonna put that underneath. And then back into Pragmatism, which was the dark brown shade. That's just going right on the outer corner on the lower lash. I'm kind of gonna meet it up with the outer corner on the lid. Now I'm going to take a little blending brush. Kind of blend those two together. And I just need an inner corner and a brow bone highlight. So I will grab this little itty bitty brush and I'm gonna go in with Pink Chameleon. I know this look is a little unconventional and it's nowhere near as color cohesive as I normally do, but I was looking at some photos of mine on Instagram from when I first started doing just Instagram looks really, and I started actually recording it, and I noticed that I used to get a lot more color creative with my looks, so I'm gonna try to start doing that again for the spring. So this is where we're at. I'm just gonna throw on my brows, lashes, lips, and I'll be right back. All right, so this is the finished look. The first look of many with the Norns palette. What do you guys think? Did I do okay? Did I accomplish my odd color combination that I wanted to do? Anyways, that is pretty much the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you being here. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And please like, comment, and share this video. Tell your friends about me. That'd be great. Also, please go follow me over on Instagram. I am getting ready to do a 4K giveaway. As soon as I hit 4K, I'm collecting all kinds of products for it. So please, please do me a favor and do all of those things I asked. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.